Good afternoon. I am standing with my favorite councillor in Mississauga, Ward 5, Natalie Hart, our leader, Liberal leader. So we are here to welcome Bonnie Crombie, the leader of the Liberal Ontario Liberal Party. So she's here, and let's listen to her.
Thank you so much, Baba Ji. It is always a pleasure to be able to gather with the community and talk about the future of our province, the future of our cities, and most importantly, I think the future of our youth, which is why it is nice to see so many younger people here as well as some old friends being together to talk about how we can move things forward in our province and in our communities. One of the things that is so wonderful about this community is that they're always willing to talk about how we can be better and work together, which is why it's always a pleasure to see my friend because when he is at an event, I know it's an event with a good purpose.
Thank you very much, sir.
I didn't tell Bonnie that I was coming tonight, so we'll see if she's surprised when she sees me here. But even though this is Brampton, it is very close to my ward. In Ward 5 comes all the way up to Malton, so we're neighbors. So I'm glad to be included here this evening and to support Bonnie as she continues to work forward on building a better Ontario Liberal Party.
Thank you very much, councillor. Thank you.
Thank you.